Hi, today in front of me Asus ROG Phone 6D and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality settings on this device. So we should first open the settings application and then scroll down to advanced. Here scroll more down and tap to screen recorder. You'll see here the quality section, so just to change your quality from medium to high or low, you should select one from these available options. Also, we got one more way how we could launch the screen recorder settings. First, open the notification panel shortcuts and find somewhere here screen recorder option. Hold it for a while and now we just successfully activated the screen recorder settings, so here we could switch the quality or another settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.